Weight loss can be a very touchy subject depending on who you're talking to. And I think a lot of that comes from change. You see, we as human beings fear change. And if you're serious about weight loss, then it involves a lot of change. You gotta change your lifestyle. You gotta change your habits. You gotta change your daily routines. And that's a lot. So luckily, there are things that you can do to make this process a little bit easier, like hiring a personal trainer or a fitness coach. There's different exercise programs that you can follow, or you can even just follow a diet plan. But there's also tools that you can use, such as the Nokia Steelhr, which is what I've been using to make the change even easier. No electronic is going to lose the weight for you. No matter what a company is trying to sell you, without hard work, dedication, and consistency, the results just will not happen. Think of a hammer and a construction worker. A hammer can't build a house on its own. It's just a tool to get the job done efficiently and effectively. The Steelhr is the same. It's just a tool to ensure you're getting the most effective workout, as well as making sure your time spent working out is efficient. So with that being said, I've been using the Steelhr now for like 7 months, and I think it's time for me to share with you my results, my overall experience, and some key aspects that I have noticed when including something like the Steelhr in your daily routines. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this. Okay, so as an icebreaker, let's talk about my results. I got them right here on my phone. 7 months ago, I weighed 207 pounds. Today, I'm down to 185. 7 months ago, I was 27% body fat. Today, I'm down to 23%. And 7 months ago, I had 144 pounds of muscle, and today, I'm up to 149 pounds. These results may not seem like a lot to you, or if you're someone that's big into fitness or a muscle builder by any means, but to me, they're results, and results kept me going. It kept me staying focused because I was able to see a difference and feel a difference. And I couldn't have done that without the Steelhr for 3 main aspects. And the first one is accountability. You see, with the Steelhr, I'm able to take a look at how many calories I'm burning per workout, which it does a fantastic job at in giving me an accurate reading. And then I can compare that to the amount of calories I'm ingesting. For those of you that don't know, if you're serious about losing weight, most of the time, your calories ingested need to be less than the calories that you're burning. It's pretty much simple science. One thing I'm guilty of, and I'm sure many of you are just as guilty, is not taking into consideration how many calories were in that meal you had for lunch, or how many calories were in those beers that you might have had for dinner. And that's where the Steelhr helped me. It held me accountable and ensured that all of the hard work that I was putting into my fitness and exercise lifestyle was actually giving me results, and I wasn't ruining it throughout the day with just wasted calories. Also, for all the people that live that busy lifestyle and have that time is of the essence type mentality, with the Steelhr, I was able to take a look at the data it collected throughout the week or months of workouts and analyze the most intense workout. That way, on the days that I didn't have a lot of time to spend at the gym, I could just do the most intense workout to get similar results in 30 minutes that I may have gotten in an hour. It's pretty cool. One thing I noticed about the Steelhr that I really love is just how durable this thing is. I didn't have to baby my wrist. I didn't have to watch it when I was working out. I was able to start exercising with a clear mind, knowing that it's not going to break on me. I have banged it on stuff. I have went swimming with it. I've showered with it, and I have dumped buckets of sweat on this thing, and it's never lost a tick. And it's just a great mindset that I can walk into a workout and not have to worry about something that I'm relying on breaking. To go along with the durability, the reliability of the Steelhr is incredible. I mean, this has the longest lasting battery life on any watch I have ever used outside of your traditional timepiece. I'm able to get like 25 days of battery life, which is outstanding. That means if I go on an extended trip, I don't have to bring a charger. That's just one less thing I don't have to bring. Just make sure it's charged before you leave and you're good. Also, on the days that you come home from work or you really have pushed it at the gym and you're super tired, you don't have that extra step before you go to bed of charging your smartwatch. You can just go to bed. In the morning, it's gonna be like it's fully charged compared to other watches. And if you do have to charge it, just plug it on the charger before you get ready in the morning, and by the time you're finished, more than likely it's going to be charged. It charges super fast. So that's a great addition to the Steelhr is the reliability aspect. So durability, reliability, both awesome. finally, I want to talk to you about compatibility. Compatibility is a huge thing for me because I'm a tech reviewer and I tend to switch phones routinely. And not having to worry about my data syncing from iOS to Android is a godsend. It doesn't matter if I'm using my Pixel 2 XL or my iPhone 10, all of my data is synced within the HealthMate app and I can look at it regardless of what phone was paired with this watch. And that's pretty cool. Also, I don't lose any functionality based upon which OS I'm using. So I get all the same functionality on Android that I do on iOS, which again is a godsend. Okay, so let's wrap this up. I'm gonna continue using the Steelhr. The reason being is because I'm seeing the benefits and I'm seeing the results of implementing this tool into my lifestyle change and in my exercise journey or my fitness journey. And I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop until I reach all of my fitness goals, and I'm gonna continue trucking through it and using this to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in picking up a Steelhr for yourself, make sure you check down below in the description. Also, you'll find my social media networks down there. Make sure you're following me if you wanna join this journey with me and see results posted sporadically as I will be posting there. If you guys have any questions on the Steelhr, leave them down below in a comment, or like I said, hit me up on social. If you're new here, stick around by subscribing. If you're not new here, turn on those notifications so you don't ever miss a video. If you enjoyed this one, drop it a thumbs up as it does help me out. And of course, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Word around town as I got the city bumping. And frankly, they did not see that coming. I'm the perfect mix of the Gestapo and El Chapo and Picasso. Except my skin is blanco. Now watch me drop the needle into a fetal position, get my rock on. Old friends wanna get they talk on. Making excuses for why I made it, cause they hate this.